Hello everybody, it's April of 2023. If you're wondering what this stuff is, there's a story that goes along with this and it's not a happy one. I've got a 2018 Audi Q7 SUV and it needed a change of transmission fluid. I took it to German auto specialists in Calgary, Canada for this service. They told me they needed a new drain plug as part of the service procedure. They told me that there's only one way to order the drain plug by itself, and that's to replace the transmission fluid pan. And the new pan comes with just a single drain plug. That was a $900 option. What a joke. Otherwise, I would have to order this drain plug repair kit that you see here, in which I got 8 different drain plugs, including the one plug that I needed. So that was $70 to get 8 plugs. That plug probably should have cost $5 or less. So now I've got 7 surplus plugs with no information about what they're for. That's gouging. That's predatory pricing. Audi, you should be ashamed of this. What's next, Audi? You need a headlight? Oh, they come in sets of 3. You need a new tire? Well, they come in sets of 3 too. You need your windshield replaced? Our windshield repair kit includes 2 full windshields. Stupid, stupid, stupid. So here's the deal, Audi. I'm not too far away from buying a new SUV, and for sure I will not be buying anything from you guys. Volkswagen, Audi had the cheater diesel engines. Now you got predatory pricing of small, inexpensive parts. You guys can't be trusted. Good riddance.